Alright guys, I got some impact sockets right here. Deep ones, deep well, the standard version, the Stanley 11 piece. It has 3/8 to about 1 inch. I don't think that skips any. 3/8, 7/16 and a half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and 1 inch, which isn't so bad. So I'm going to do the Camaro eventually, and I'm sure that it's going to take some standard sockets. That's why I have gotten some standard ones instead of all metric, because modern cars now, they're pretty much all metric, even American cars. Don't fool yourself, because you got the what is that, the 5/8 right here. Let me see. Nope, 11/16. Because you got something like the 5/8 socket right there, which is literally a 16mm equivalent, same thing. So people have a modern car, they use a 5/8 on it, and they're like, oh no, it's mixed. No, it's not. It's all modern cars now are metric. There's really nothing standard about them. You just waste your money if you have only modern cars and you get standard tools. So anyway, thanks for watching my channel. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.